Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create these secret recipes in Heartopia for the wild Celtuce taco. I don't know how to pronounce that. Celtuce? I don't know. But basically, you are going to see that there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's the wild vegetable, wild bracken, wild garlic mustard, wild burdock, and wild mustard greens. So you are going to make the romaine lettuce taco first. That is what you're going to want to do. And then you're going to then select the wild vegetable Celtuce taco recipe. And then you're just going to cook this first, okay, to unlock the base of the recipe. So I'm just going to do that. As you can see, I've unlocked a new recipe here. To unlock the secret ones, I would need to then cook it again or change the vegetable. So I'm just going to cook this first. And once I'm done cooking that, I will then cook the wild taco. And then here you can change the vegetables. We have the fiddlehead, the tall mustard, the burdock, and the mustard greens. I'll do burdock for this one, but you can stick with the fiddlehead first if you want to unlock that recipe first, but let's do the burdock one. And it's going to basically unlock that secret recipe. Ta-da! And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!